proud new owner of the Pocketalker 2.0 personal amplifier. We have designed it to be easy to set up and to use. We created this video to provide you with helpful tips for setup and use, and to help you overcome any hurdles you might be experiencing. The following are key points to remember about proper setup and function of your Pocketalker 2.0. Here we will talk about simple battery management, when to use the T-coil switch, how to reduce feedback, proper jack connections, stereo versus mono headphone use, and making a strong connection with that extender cable. Let's begin with those batteries. If the Pocketalker does not light up when you turn it on, make sure the batteries are not depleted and they have been inserted in the correct orientation into the battery compartment. If using rechargeable batteries, make sure the batteries are sufficiently charged and the battery switch is set appropriately in the NIMH position. Now let's talk about that T-coil switch. If you turn on your Pocketalker, see it lit up, but hear no sound or static, check the T-coil switch on the side of the unit to ensure that it is in the off position. The T-coil switch should be used only when you are in an area where an induction loop hearing assistance system is set up. Remember, if you have hearing aids with a T-coil, you will never need to use the T-coil switch on the side of the Pocketalker. However, you can still use the Pocketalker 2.0 with a neck loop in a non-looped space, as long as you have a hearing aid with T-coils. If you turn your Pocketalker on, see it lit up, the T-coil switch is in the off position and you still hear no sound, you may have a bad earphone or headphone. If you experience a howling or squealing sound, you are experiencing feedback. To reduce feedback, there are a few things you can try. Because feedback can occur anytime when the volume control is set to 3 or higher, simply reduce the volume setting. Move the microphone, internal or external, farther away from the earphone or headphone. Also try turning down the tone control counterclockwise to reduce the high frequency. If using the included external microphone, make sure the microphone is plugged snugly into the external mic jack to ensure a secure connection. Make sure the earphone or headphone is fully plugged into the headphone jack. The Pocketalker headphone jack is a stereo jack designed for use with stereo headphones or earphones. If you use mono earphones or headphones with your Pocketalker 2.0, you will still hear out of both sides, but the balance control will not function. Turn the balance control, which is located in the battery compartment, fully to the left or mono position. This maximizes volume and also helps with maximizing battery life. When using the 12-foot extender cable, be sure to push firmly when you plug it into the external mic jack. When you hear and/or feel a noticeable click, it is ready to use. Thank you for purchasing the Pocketalker 2.0. We hope that these hints and troubleshooting tips help you make the most out of your new personal amplifier.